staying with her grandmother, who has a big garden and keeps some animals. They have been outside checking on the goat, the geese, and the pig. While they were outside, Gail found a frog next to the water bucket. She watched it hop off under the gate. When they come in, Grandma sends Gail to the bathroom to have a wash. Gail puts the plug in, fills the basin, and washes her hands and face. But when she pulls the plug out, the water doesn't go away. Her grandmother comes to have a look. "Oh dear, the sink must be blocked," she says. She phones the plumber. When he arrives, the plumber unblocks the sink, and water runs gurgling out of the basin.